Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Kids and Ayesha. If you're new to my channel is all about arts and crafts. And today I'm going to do a magic. Oh, a magic. Do you have magical hands? Oh, it's not gonna work. It is not gonna work. How did you do that? I want to know. Ta-da! So, what do you say? Wow. Over here, the lemon is more denser than the water. And over here, the salt water is more denser than the lemon. Now, I'll make a density tower. In order to build a density tower, I got lots of liquids. Let me introduce you. First, I have salt water. Second, I have oil. And then I just have plain water. We just put food coloring so we know where does the water go. Then, we have soya sauce, milk, and chili sauce. So let's get started. So for this we'll need a long jar or a long glass and some liquid. So first we're going to mix salt water. So as you can see that the milk and the soy sauce, the salt water and the plain water has mixed together. What does that mean? It means they have the same density. Whereas the oil and the chili sauce are floating. As you can see that chili sauce is floating on that milk liquid. That means they are less density than the others. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and if you want to watch more of my videos, check the description below. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Share with your friends.